Hi everyone, it's Diane from Leadership Seminole Class 29. Just wanted to send a quick video. First of all, to shout out to my class members and alumni. I miss you guys terribly. I hope that we can get together soon after all of this is over. And also wanted to send the video to maybe give a quick update on our class's legacy project, which is going to be benefiting Canterbury's Retreat and Conference Center, as I'm sure you've heard, by way of Ties That Bind, which is the challenge course there that everyone at Leadership is probably very familiar with. However, when it comes to the project, what we're doing is that we are trying to upgrade the elements there on the course in order to incorporate more folks with disabilities and broaden that audience, which I think is fantastic. One of the ways that we are raising money to do that is we are installing a paver walkway right there on the property near the Bishop's Walk on Canterbury. This is the design that is going to be placed there. So we will have two size bricks, and we are selling engraved bricks. So in order to get an engraved brick, you can purchase it on Canterbury's website. There are two sizes, a 4x8 size, which is $50, and an 8x8 size brick, which is $100. There are specifics when it comes to the message. You can pretty much put anything on the brick you would like, so in honor of, in memory of, a celebration, or just a shout out. It can be for an individual, group, organization, family, whichever you like. So we are going to be selling the bricks in order to raise money for the legacy project. So if you have any questions regarding the project or how to purchase a brick, please email LS for Leadership Seminole Class 29 at gmail.com. Again, it's lsclass29@gmail.com. And I hope everyone is having you know, some good reflection time. Everyone is staying safe, and just wanted to let everyone know that I'm thinking of all of you, and remember to stay active.